coming, then you stop, no?
Yeah.
In this case, you fail, no?
No.
In this case, you fail.
Means
Why?
I should not stop.
Why? Why you fail in the exam? Normally, think about this is exam today.
Yeah.
And why you fail?
No, I see this car and I stop.
Yeah, but you stop in this position now here, and that's not okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Wait for the cars.
okay.
Nobody there, then you can drive.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here I should give the
Indicator
left, right.
Indicator right,
Yeah.
not left, right.
Yeah.
Look between the seats.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Yeah.
20%, 80%.
back side. Yeah.
20%, 80%. And for U-turn is that enough? I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
For U-turn is this enough? Now left, indicator left. Oh, no. Not my pump.
Yeah.
Brake, please. Yeah, softer. Use the pedals, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can drive, no? Normal. So we go straight ahead. You know this sign, the triangle is crossing it, what it means.
This one.
This one, what does it mean? You have seen this
right
sign
before,
today.
Yeah, right before.
Right before left, no? But you're coming on the left side, you see that, no? And now the car's coming, yeah? And come here and turn, and it's not place enough. Better is you go a little bit on the right and make place for the cars are coming from the right, coming out.
Okay, take the turn.
And go. You have the preference because the cars in opposite have blocked. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
The car in opposite is blocked. You can go. You are not blocked. You know?